Hello everyone and welcome to Marian's opening bell. My name is John. I am the membership director at the Foundation for the Study of Cycles, and it is my pleasure to be your host for today. We are live from Bucharest, Romania, and broadcasting this webcast worldwide. Have in mind that every attendee will be muted in this webinar, and for any questions that you might have, please email me at i.guta@cycles.cc. And also the fact that this is a closed webinar and everyone should use their name and a valid email address. So thank you for understanding that. Now, let's continue with reading our disclaimer. If you want to read it yourself, you can find it in the meeting info tab. Futures, options, and Forex are leveraged instruments and you can lose all your money. The content in this webcast is for education and research purposes only. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles is not an investment advisor and is not trying to sell you any securities. You as a viewer are responsible for your own trading, both the gains and the losses. There is a very high degree of risk involved in trading, and past results are not indicative of future returns. The Foundation for the Study of Cycles and all individuals affiliated with us inside and outside this webcast assume zero responsibilities for any individual viewer's trading and investment results. The cycles and planetary indicators and all other features in this webcast are for education and research purposes only and should never be construed as investment advice on any one particular asset to any one particular person at any one particular time. Any personal use of our timing and trading observations is entirely at your own sole and personal financial risk, and it is your own sole and personal financial responsibility to evaluate the accuracy, completeness, and usefulness of the information provided. So now I present you our Executive Vice President and Head of Research, Marian. Hi, Marian.
Hello, John. Hello, everyone. Let's start. First, we'll start presenting the future file. These are the assets we are tracking. We had two recent close trades. We have two hot trades, that means open recently, and 8 on the watch list. Open trades, we have 4 open trades. These are the past closed trades. Let's present the trades. Corn, wheat, soybeans, and sugar, all long positions. Corn, wheat started on May 19, soybeans on June 5, and sugar on June 6. Let's start presenting. First asset, crude oil. The cycle is 27.30. The cycle is presenting currently a bottom. I have been in a short position from May 25. Currently have exit on June 7. This trade have gained 6.50%. Currently, the cycle is presenting a positive movement. The Marian planetary signal is presenting a decline until the lowest point on June 15, which is not that far away. It's presenting a bottom from June 15 to this next icicle on June 23, then a positive movement after that. Currently, I'm searching for a long position in crude oil. I didn't enter yet. NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, gasoline, cycle 50.00. The cycle have presented decline in the bottoming period. Currently, is presenting a bottom. I have entered in a short position on May 25 and exit on June 7, the same date as crude oil. This trade has gained 7.40%. The Marian signal, it's still presenting a decline period. We are seeing an important icicle on June 9, this icicle on June 9, and a second one on June 23. Basically, the Marian signal is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement. Currently, I'm searching for a long position. I didn't enter yet. So NTR, no trade recorded in this asset, but I'm searching for a long position. Next asset, corn. Cycle 32.60. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. I have entered in a long position on May 19, currently gaining 3.09%. The cycle oscillator, the orange and the black line are having a really high level. They present the price and the cycle going in the same direction. The paradigm signal, and this is important, the paradigm signal is presenting an important spike on June 7, which we have passed. A second one on June 14. Basically, in this period, it's presenting a topping, then a decline. If we will change the signal from primary to secondary, it will present a positive movement until this high spike on July 7. Currently, I'm in a long position and I'm maintaining this long position. Next asset, wheat. Cycle 29.90. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. I have entered in a long position on May 19, currently positive 2.47%. The planetary signal, the paradigm signal, is presenting an important spike on June 6, a second one on June 14, the same date as corn. Then a decline period after that. So this next couple of days will be crucial. If it will start, if it will not raise more, that means we are maintaining the signal on the primary signal, and it will start declining from this point, probably from June 14, and I will search for an exit point. If it will change the signal to the secondary signal, it will present still a positive movement. So I'm paying attention to this market. Currently, I'm in a long position, maintaining this long position. Next asset is soybeans. Cycle 30.00. The cycle is presenting a positive movement with the top around 630. I have entered in a long position on June 5, currently positive 1.76%. The paradigm signal is presenting a positive movement with the moving average at the black line top on August 2nd and August 8th. So the paradigm signal is presenting for a longer period of time a positive movement. Currently, I'm in a long position in soybeans and I'm maintaining that long position. Next asset is sugar. Cycle 34.70. The cycle currently is presenting a bottoming period. I have entered in a long position on June 6. This trade currently is gaining 2.00%, 2%. The paradigm signal on secondary is presenting a positive movement with two important spikes, one on June 12 and second one on June 19, then a decline period. I'm targeting these 2 days as an exit point. Currently, I'm in a long position in sugar and I'm maintaining that long position. Let's present one more time the trade record. We have 8 assets on the watch list. Let's present S&P 500, first asset, 36.90, the cycle. The cycle currently is presenting a topping period and a decline. The paradigm signal on primary is presenting a top, an important spike on June 8th. That was yesterday. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing the moving average, the black line, bottom around June 29. So currently the primary signal is presenting a decline period. The cycle is presenting a decline period. Currently I'm searching for a short position in S&P 500. I didn't enter yet. NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, T-bonds. Cycle 45.20. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. The orange line, it's above the black line, is presenting the price and the cycle going in the same direction currently. I have presented this date over and over again. June 6, this important spike on the primary signal. Then a decline period after that. It looks like it catches it perfectly. We are seeing the lowest point on the moving average on June 14, then another positive movement. Okay, if you have watched the MOB meetings, you could see I have presented over and over again this spike. It's like it has hit it perfectly. Anyway, let's continue. Currently, I'm searching for a long position T-bonds I didn't enter yet. NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, gold. Cycle 27.90. The cycle is presenting a topping period. The better line signal have an important spike which we have passed on June 6. Basically, it's presenting currently a topping period, then a decline. The first icicle is on June 19, and the lowest one, this one, is on July 17. So this is presenting for a longer period of time a decline. Currently, I didn't enter in a trade. NTR, no trade recorded. Silver, cycle 37.20. The cycle is presenting a decline already period, okay? The better line signal has present two important spikes, one on May 13 and second one on June 7. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing an important icicle on June 16, a positive movement after that, then another decline with the lowest point on July 17. So the better line signal is presenting a decline period. The cycle is presenting a decline period. Okay? Currently, I didn't enter in any trade. NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, natural gas. Cycle 25.70. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. We are seeing the top of the cycle on June 27. The better line signal on secondary, which it have worked for a longer period of time, is presenting a positive movement currently. We are having two important spikes on the secondary signal, one on June 8, yesterday, and a second one on June 16. If the signal will flip to the primary signal, it will present a longer period of time positive movement. The highest spike is on June 28. Currently, I'm NTR in this asset. I'm searching for a long position. I didn't enter yet. No trade recorded. Let's continue with the next asset, coffee. Cycle 30.30. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement. The better line signal is presenting an important icicle on June 13, a positive movement after that until this spike on June 23, then another decline. So the better line signal is presenting a positive movement. The cycle currently is presenting a bottoming period. We are seeing the bottom around June 15. And this spike is on June 13. So the better line signal is presenting a positive movement, and the cycle is presenting a positive movement from that particular point. Currently, I'm NTR, no trade recorded. Next asset, cotton. Cycle 25.00. The cycle is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement. The cycle oscillator, the orange and the black line, have a really high level. The orange line is above the black line, is presenting the cycle and the price going in the same direction. Currently, the cycle is presenting a bottoming. The better line signal is still presenting a decline period. We are seeing an important icicle on June 12 and a second one, the lowest one, on June 19. Currently, NTR. Let's present one more time the trade record. So 4 open trades, 2 recent close. Let's continue with the second part of the meeting, Forex. These are the trades record. We have 4 hot trades and 2 on the watch list. We have opened recently 2 trades, Euro USD a short position and USD CHF a long position. Let's start presenting the assets. First asset, Euro AUD. Cycle 45.30. The cycle is presenting a decline. The cycle oscillator is above the black line, presenting the price and the cycle going in the same direction. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd, currently positive 2.11%. The Marian signal is presenting a decline. We are seeing an important icicle, which has passed already on June 7, and a second one on June 21. A positive movement after that, then another decline. The lowest point is on July 26. Currently, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining that. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro CAD. Cycle 37.90. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline. I have entered in a short position on June 2nd, currently gaining 0.73%. The planetary signal is presenting a decline period. It has presented 2 important spikes, one on May 23, a second one on June 2nd. Then a decline period. The lowest point is on July 26. Currently, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining that. Next asset, Euro CHF. Cycle 35.10. I have entered in a short position on May 16. Currently exit as the cycle is presenting this bottom on July 7. Currently, I'm gaining 0.58%. The Marian signal, which have worked really good for a really long period, have present an important spike on May 80, so like it have catch it perfectly. Then a decline period after that. We are seeing the lowest point on June 13, not that far away. So currently I'm searching for an exit point in this asset. I'm still in a short position, but I'm searching for an exit point. Let's continue with the next asset, Euro JPY. Cycle 35.40, the cycle is presenting a bottoming period. I have entered in a short position on May 25. Currently exit on the second bottom of the cycle, July 19, this bottom of the cycle. This trade is gaining 1.55% currently. The Marian signal is presenting 2 important spikes, one on May 15 and the second one on May 22, then a decline period after that. We are seeing 2 important icicles, one on June 8 and a second one on June 26. So the Marian signal is still presenting a decline period until this bottom on June 26. Currently, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position. Next asset, Euro USD. Cycle 37.10. The cycle is presenting a topping period, then a decline, with the bottom around July 4th. I have entered in a short position on June 8th, yesterday. The Marian signal is presenting a decline period. We are seeing 3 important icicles, one on June 19, second one on July 3, and third one, the lowest one, on July 17. Currently, in this asset, Euro USD, I'm in a short position. This is a hot trade, a recent open trade. Let's continue with the next asset. JBP JPY. The cycle is 38.60. The cycle is presenting a decline period. We are seeing the bottom of the cycle on June 28th. I have entered in a short position on May 25, currently gaining 2.72%. This is a really good trade. The paradigm signal has present two important spikes, one on May 16 and second one on May 31. We are seeing a decline period with two important icicles basically. One on June 8, which we have passed, and second one, which is the lowest one, on June 26. Currently, I'm in a short position and I'm maintaining this short position. Next asset, USD CHF. The cycle is 25.50. The cycle is presenting a positive movement. If we are not paying a little attention to the cycle, it have worked perfectly for a really long period. It's catching perfectly the tops and the bottoms. Currently, I have entered in a long position on June 8th. Again, a really hot trade. This trade was open yesterday. The paradigm signal is presenting a bottoming period, then a positive movement after that. We are seeing two important spikes, one on June 26 and second one on July 17. This is present, the cycle and the paradigm signal is presenting like it can go, it can create a really good profit. Anyway, currently I'm in a long position, recent open, and I'm maintaining that. Let's present one more time the trades record. We have 7 open trades and 2 recent hot trades. We have 2 on the watch list. Let's present the watch list. JBP CHF. The cycle is 44.30. Recently, the cycle is looking like it has inverted. We are presenting here the bottom. The cycle is presenting a bottom around May 4th, and it's looking actually it's a top on the cycle. Then the cycle is presenting a top. It's looking like it's actually the bottom of the price. The paradigm signal is actually presenting a bottoming period and a positive movement after that. So if this is correct and the cycle is inverting, this is actually a bottom, it's not a decline. Currently in this asset, I'm searching for a long position, not as the cycle is presenting. Okay? But NTR today, no trade recorded yet. Next asset, USD JPY. The cycle is 31.40. The cycle is presenting a decline with the bottom around June 16, not too far away. The paradigm planetary signal has present 2 important icicles, one which we have passed on June 2nd and a second one on June 29. Currently is presenting a positive movement until this spike on June 12th and second one on June 19. NTR today, no trade recorded. Present one more time the trade record. And let's present one more time the future file. Okay guys, it's looking like we have reached the last part of the meeting. Hope you guys have enjoyed and see you Monday. Take care. John, please ring the opening bell. Take care, bye.